Good morning all of you.
I am Anya.
And I am Bhumi.
We are the student of Shri Thakur Balika Vidyalaya.
Today we are here to talk about our project.
Industrial Carbon Purification System.
So what is carbon?
Carbon is typically refers to the carbon emission produced by industrial activities. These emissions may often result from the burning of fossil fuels, industrial activities and transportation within the sector.
But how does the carbon emissions enter in an environment?
Carbon emission enters in an environment by using a lot of fossil fuels such as oil, coal, gas, diesel, petrol, etc. By cutting the trees, this may lead to deforestation and by the volcanic action. Do you know the effects of carbon emission in our environment, plants and animals?
Extreme weather events contribute climate change, leading to adverse effects such as rising global temperatures, extreme weather events and sea level rise. These changes can disrupt supply chains, impact infrastructures and pose risks to industrial operations.
But how can we reduce carbon emission from the industries?
We should use less fossil fuels, we should increase the usage of recycled materials, we should reduce paper wastage. So by these points we can reduce carbon emissions from industries. In our model industrial carbon purification system, we emphasize on reducing emissions by recycling CO2 in a productive manner. CO2 is a known supporter of combustion, so it will be used in the industries of dry ice and fire extinguisher.
Smoke emission from the industries will be captured by this conveyor belt and be passed to the water tank below it. Then CO2 is dissolved.